Good day, everyone. I am Claire.
And I am Thisha,
And today we are going to talk about the major pollutants.
with its causes and effects.
But first, what are pollutants, Thisha?
Pollutants are a substance or type of energy that gets introduced into the environment and has negative effects. These effects can be on human health, natural resources, or both.
First, we have air pollution.
Air pollution refers to the release of pollutants into the air.
So, for the first cause of air pollution, we have vehicle emissions. Vehicle emissions releases pollutants like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, harming human health and contributing to climate change. These emissions also from secondary pollutants like ground level ozone, worsening the air quality in urban areas. Next, we have industrial processes. Industrial processes emits pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter into the air. These pollutants can result from the activities like manufacturing, energy production, and chemical processing. Industrial emissions significantly contribute to air pollution, impacting both local air quality and global atmospheric conditions.
So next cause is we have fossil fuel burning. Fossil fuel burning releases pollutants like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, or nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. These emissions contribute to air pollution by causing smog, acid rain, and health problems. Additionally, they are a major driver of climate change due to the release of greenhouse gases. Next is we have wildfire. Wildfires release large amount of smoke, ash, and particulate matter into the air. These pollutions can travel long distances, impacting air quality even in areas far from the fire. Additionally, wildfires can release harmful gases like carbon monoxide and volatile organic compounds, further worsening air pollution and posing health risks to the nearby communities.
And for its effects, we have respiratory problems such as asthma, heart diseases, and acid rain.
So for the control measures, first we have to reduce reliance on cars. Next is we have to clean energy.
So for the next kind of pollutant, we have water pollution.
So water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other body of water, degrading water quality and rendering it toxic to humans or the environment.
So for the first cause of water pollution, we have industrial waste. Industrial waste, including chemicals, heavy metals, and toxins, can contaminate water bodies when improperly disposed or leaked from industrial sites. This pollution can harm aquatic ecosystems, affecting marine life and disrupting the balance of ecosystem. Additionally, industrial waste can seep into groundwater, contaminating drinking water sources and posing health risks to humans and wildlife. Next, we have agricultural runoff. Agricultural runoffs containing fertilizers, pesticides, and animal waste can flow into water bodies during rainstorms or irrigation. This runoff introduces excess nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus in the water, leading to algal blooms and oxygen depletion, harming aquatic life. Additionally, agricultural runoff can carry pathogens and contaminants, posing risks to human life and ecosystem downstream.
Next is we have oil spills. Oil spills release large quantities of crude oil into water bodies, coating the surface and harming marine life. The oil can suffocate marine organisms, disrupt ecosystems, and contaminate water supplies used for drinking and recreation. Cleanup efforts can be challenging and costly, with long term environment impacts persisting even after the visible signs of the spill have been addressed. Next is we have littering. Littering introduces plastic, paper, and other debris into water bodies through runoff or direct disposal. These debris can harm aquatic life by entangling animals or being ingested, leading to injury or death. Additionally, litter can leach harmful chemicals into the water, further polluting aquatic ecosystems and endangering marine life.
So, for the effects of water pollution, we have waterborne diseases such as diarrhea and cholera, harm to aquatic ecosystems such as fish kills and algae blooms, and disruption of the food ecosystem.
So for the control measures, we have reduction of waste and proper waste disposal. Next is we have oil spill prevention, and
So for the next pollutant, we have land pollution. What is land pollution, Tisha?
land pollution is the destruction or a decline in quality of the earth's surface as a result of human actions. So for the first cause of land pollution, we have industrial waste. Industrial waste including chemicals, heavy metals, and non-biodegradable materials can contaminate soil when improperly disposed of or leaked from the industrial sites. This contamination can render land unsuitable for agriculture or other uses and pose risks to human health through exposure to toxic substances. Additionally, industrial waste can seep into groundwater, further exacerbating land pollution and contaminating drinking water resources. So next is we have agricultural runoff. Agricultural runoff containing fertilizers, pesticides, and animal waste can seep into the soil, contaminating it with excess nutrients and chemicals. This pollution can degrade soil quality, leading to reduced fertility and crop productivity. Additionally, agricultural runoff can contribute to soil erosion, further exacerbating land degradation and impacting surrounding ecosystems.
Next, we have littering. Littering deposits waste on land, degrading habitats and endangering wildlife. This accumulation disrupts ecosystems and contaminates soil, impacting biodiversity. Additionally, it diminishes the quality of public spaces, affecting community aesthetics and well being. So, for the effects, we have soil contamination, loss of biodiversity, health problems, due to exposure to toxins. And for the control measures, we have reduced consumption, the reuse and recycle, and waste management. Next, noise pollution. What is noise pollution?
Noise pollution is an unwanted or excessive sound that can have deleterious effect on human health, wildlife, and environmental quality. First cause is we have the traffic noise. Traffic noise from vehicles creates noise pollution, disturbing both urban and rural environments. This constant noise can disrupt sleep patterns, increase stress levels, and lead to hearing loss. Additionally, it can interfere with communication, affecting overall quality of life for residents in affected areas. Next is we have the construction noise. Construction noise generates noise pollution, disrupting surrounding areas with loud machinery and activities. This disturbance can disturb residents, affecting their quality of life and productivity. Additionally, prolonged exposure to construction noise can lead to stress and annoyance among affected individuals.
Next, we have aircraft noises. Aircraft noises contributes to noise pollution through the loud sound produced by engines in aircraft operations. This noise can disrupt communities near airports, affecting sleep patterns and causing annoyance. Additionally, prolonged exposure to aircraft noise has been linked to negative health effects such as cardiovascular problem and impaired cognitive function. Next, we have industrial noise. Industrial noise adds to noise pollution with loud machinery, equipment, and manufacturing processes. This noise can disturb nearby residents, impacting their peace and well being. Additionally, prolonged exposure to industrial noise can lead to hearing damage and other health issues. So, for the effects of noise pollution, we have hearing loss, sleep disturbances, and reduced concentration.
So for the control measures, first we have noise ordinance, and lastly we have personal awareness.
Lastly, for our major pollutants, we have the light pollutant, which is
Light pollution is the presence of any unwanted, inappropriate, or excessive artificial lighting. First cause is we have light trespass. Light trespass contributes to light pollution by illuminating areas beyond where it's intended, such as neighboring properties or the night sky. This excessive and unnecessary illumination disrupts natural light cycles, affecting wildlife and ecosystems. Additionally, it can cause glare, reducing visibility, and posing safety risks for drivers and pedestrians. Next
Next,
cause is we have glare. Glare exacerbates light pollution by causing discomfort and reducing visibility in illuminated areas. This intense brightness can obscure details and hinder nighttime activities for both humans and wildlife. Additionally, glare from artificial lights can disrupt natural behaviors and migration patterns of nocturnal animals.
lastly, we have sky glow. Sky glow intensifies light pollution by illuminating the night sky with a pervasive glow, obscuring celestial objects and the natural beauty of these stars. This phenomenon results from artificial light sources reflecting off airborne particles and gases in the atmosphere. Additionally, sky glow disrupts the circadian rhythms of nocturnal animals and interferes with astronomical observations. So for the effects, we have disruption of sleep pattern and harm to wildlife.
So for the control measures, we have usage of LED lights, and lastly, we have light curfews.
That will be all for our report on the major pollutants.
Bye!